Today we are going to see one more positioning example, that is Nike. How Nike has positioned itself. Nike has a rich set of association with consumers based on its innovative product designs, its sponsorships of top athletes, its award-winning communications, its competitive drive, and its irreverent attitude. So Nike is basically footwear manufacturing company, but you can see slowly and gradually they are into apparel, accessories, and the products which is required by the athletes, sports people, sports loving uh, people. So it has got rich association with the consumers because it is a luxurious products, quality product, and sports people like to prefer Nike because Nike is used by their by the lot of uh, successful athletes based on its innovative products design. So its designs are unique because it has got latest technology, engineering marvel, and lot of things are research properly research has properly done on their products, and they keep on innovating new products for the athletes, which gives them comfort, which help them to achieve the success in the sports field. It's sponsorship of top athletes, so they are sponsoring top athletes, maybe in a cricket, maybe in a football, maybe in a tennis, maybe in a golf, and so on. It's award winning communication, so advertising, communication, and promotions are also strength for the Nike. It's competitive drive, so it is one of the best competitor for the Adidas and Puma, and its irreverent attitude. Internally, Nike marketers adopted the three-word brand mantra: athletic, athletic, authentic athletic performance. So the tagline, punchline, or slogan for the Nike will be, of course, just do it is one of the tagline, one of the best punchline for Nike. But one more tagline is authentic athletic performance to guide their marketing efforts. So the employees, when they remember this slogan, authentic athletic performance, then they understand why we are here, why we are in existence. Thus, in Nike's eyes, its entire marketing program, its products, and the way they are sold must reflect that key brand value. In the Nike's eyes, the entire marketing program, its products, and the way they are sold must reflect the key brand value. So, in the sales, in the marketing, while selling the product, marketing the product, manufacturing the product, we should understand authentic athletic performance, and that is the goal or the target. Over the years, Nike has expanded its brand meaning from running shoes to athletic shoes. So initially they were just manufacturing shoes, but now they are specialized. They are have a lot of innovative products which are helpful for the athletic sports people. And athletic shoes to apparel. So they again, from the shoes they move to the apparel, then they move to the accessories like bags, specs, and all those things which are required, generally required by the sports people. And now it is to all things associated with the athletics, including equipments. So some sports equipments are also manufactured by the Adidas. Each step of the way, however, it has been guided by the authentic athletic performance brand mantra. So whatever is required for the athletics to perform well, to get the success, to remain at the top position, to remain number one, to become to be a winner. So for athletics people, sports people, to show their performance and remain at the top position, number one position, and become winner, we have to provide whatever is required by athletics. For example, as Nike rolled out its successful apparel line, one important hurdle was that the products must be made innovative enough through material, cut, or design to truly benefit top athletes. At the same time, the company has been careful to avoid using Nike name and brand products that do not fit with the brand mantra, like casual brown shoes. So whatever the innovation has to do, whatever the research has to be done, whatever the discovery creativity has to be done for the athletes, whatever the problem they are faced in their equipments is done by the Nike. And Nike is also taking care that they, whenever they are manufacturing below the line product, not ordinary product, then they are not associating its Nike words, they are associating its some other words, some subsidiary brand name. So this is all about Nike. So what we discuss is Nike uh, is helping athletes to achieve the success, to become a winner. And they have award winning communication, advertisement, promotion, and they are sponsoring athletes, and they are focused. So their positioning is, we should have innovative product design, we should sponsor the athletes, and we should have great advertisement. And equally they have to be, he has to be competitive. And second, to understand each and every employee of the Nike, they have given the punchline authentic athletic performance. So see, the authentic athletic performance is very good positioning, because then there will be no confusion, everybody knows how to work, where to work, what to work, what is our aim, what should be done, and which is guiding. So positioning statement should guide each and every employee. Here we can learn that in the Nike's eyes, the entire marketing program and its products and the way they are sold must reflect that key brand value. So they have some value. So each brand, luxurious brand, status symbol brand has very good value proposition. Now see how they are diversifying their brand into various other categories also, and they are not they are uh, not uh, distracting their focus from providing whatever is required for the athletes to become a successful. So they are doing whatever is required to become athlete, a successful person, a successful sports person, sportsman. And equally they are taking care that if the brand, if their products are not up to the mark, not good in quality, then they are not giving Nike name, they are giving some other name. And they are doing research and development, creativity work in equipments and products which is used by the athletes. So very good positioning by the Nike, and that's why Nike is very successful brand. Even I tell you, the Nike is appreciated by the owner of Apple. So you can imagine Steve Jobs has appreciated Nike brand. What Steve Jobs was saying? Steve Jobs was saying Nike is very good marketer. Nike is very good company to learn marketing, because see, the footwear is just commodity. How they have evolved this brand, and all over the world, every sports person wants to use Nike products. So this is all regarding this positioning of the Nike. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe.